Live from KTVN Reno, you're watching 2 News at 4.
Lawmakers are looking at a bill that would make controversial changes to Nevada's gun laws. But first,
this winter in the Tahoe Basin, it's the 4th highest since 1981.
after a heavy winter, we still have several feet of snow sitting in the Sierra, and experts say it'll take months to melt off completely. What that means to you tops 2 News at 4 o'clock. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ariana Bennett. Kristen has the week off. Thank you for joining us. Well, hydrologists went up to Mount Rose for the final snowpack survey of the season today. Brandon Foose explains how big this winter was and what that means for the months ahead.
Put our snow tubes together.
April is the final month that the Natural Resources Conservation Service conducts its snow survey. This measuring site on Mount Rose is one of 9 in the Truckee Basin.
The Truckee Basin right now is sitting at 168% of the normal peak amount. So that's almost, it's well over a 1.5 winters worth of snow.
The 8 sites in the Tahoe Basin have 186% of the median peak amount. Anderson says it isn't historic like in 2017, but the snowpack is impressive compared to other recent winters.
Certainly 2012 to 2015, that was kind of our, one of the worst droughts we've ever had. 2015 being the lowest snowpack year that's been ever measured in the Tahoe area.
With so much snow on the mountains, runoff is a concern for the spring and summer.
And that's affected by really how much snow is here, how it melts, how fast it melts, what kind of precipitation and temperatures we get between now and the summer.
In some areas, like here at Rock Park, the Truckee River has already reached some pedestrian areas, but experts say snowmelt due to warm weather typically doesn't cause flooding. That doesn't mean we might not see some floods this year.
There can be a rain event still this time of year, and all bets are off if we were to see a large rain on top of the snow.
Since future forecasts are unknown, controlling the water flow is a balancing act. But experts know there's already a lot of water.
Certainly on small creeks, on bigger rivers, we're going to expect, high flows for a prolonged period of time once all the snow starts melting.
Covering the big story at Mount Rose, Brandon Foose, 2 News.